this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover the Google Play Store. So on your Android phone, you can hold down on this, and there is an option to remove it or delete it. So if we go to remove, we're not going to be able to find this at all. So we have to swipe up and then go through our apps list, and we can find the Google Play Store under here, and it should be in the G section. Where is it? Google Play Store. So it might be hidden from here sometimes, so you can just go to the top, go to Google Play Store, and type that in. Probably just stores quicker. And here it is, Google Play Store. And you can hold down on here, and then you can just drag it to the home screen. Now, you might have accidentally disabled it. So on my Samsung phone, I believe there is an option to disable it, so we can just hold down on here. You can see you might accidentally hit disable instead of remove, and then it's completely gone. And you're not going to be able to find it under here when you swipe up and you type in store now. So if you type in store, it's completely gone. It's just showing us the option for the Samsung store, which you can use that to download apps, but they're not going to have everything. So what you want to do is go to the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down to apps. So let's locate apps. Here it is. Then wait for this to load, and we want to go on down to the Google Play Store under here. And it could take a while to load for some reason, so let's go on down to the G section, Google Play Store. Here it is. So you can see it's disabled. We just want to re-enable it. So let's go to enable down here, and we can open it up. So we should be able to find it under our apps list now, so we can just type in store, and here it is. Now on this phone, I have to hold down on it, and then go to add to home screen. Then I want it on home screen, the first page here, so here it is. And now we can go back to it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.